In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a meeting transcript into professional meeting minutes using ChatGPT. This is a simple workflow that can save you a lot of time, especially if you regularly need to document meetings clearly and professionally. Instead of writing everything from scratch, you can use AI to organize the conversation into a clean summary that is easier to review and share. Start by recording your meeting or creating a transcript of it. The goal here is to capture the conversation as accurately as possible so you have a reliable source to work from afterward. If your meeting platform already offers transcription, that can make things even easier. Just make sure the transcript is readable and complete before moving on. Once the meeting is over, open ChatGPT. This is where you'll turn the raw conversation into structured meeting notes. If you have a transcript file, upload it. If not, simply copy and paste the transcript into the chat. Before sending it, it's a good idea to quickly remove any sensitive personal information or anything that doesn't need to be included in the final record. Next, ask ChatGPT to create professional meeting minutes. Be clear about the format you want. You can request a polished, business-ready version that is concise, but still captures the important points. This helps transform a long, unstructured discussion into something your team can actually use. Make sure the minutes include the key sections that people expect to see. Ask for attendees, a discussion summary, decisions made, and action items. These sections make the final document much more useful because they show who was involved, what was talked about, what was agreed on, and what needs to happen next. You should also ask ChatGPT to identify deadlines and the people responsible for each task. This is especially helpful because action items are only valuable if ownership and timing are clear. If the transcript mentions due dates or assigned responsibilities, ChatGPT can surface them and place them in an organized format. After that, review the minutes carefully for accuracy. This step is important. AI can help with structure and speed, but you should still confirm that the summary reflects what actually happened in the meeting. Check names, decisions, deadlines, and task ownership to make sure nothing is unclear or incorrect. Once everything looks right, share the final meeting minutes with your team. That gives everyone a clear reference point and helps keep follow-up tasks on track. And that's it. With this process, you can go from a raw meeting transcript to polished meeting minutes in just a few minutes.